This is Dale. If you're new here, my name is Ruben. I basically travel to hang out with my subscribers, talk to people, and film it to show you that you can talk to anyone.
How you doing? What you taking pictures of? Me and you kind of got a little, a little something. That's yours. Take it.
No, fuck them. Damn.
Okay, Dale. So how was today?
It was good. My name is Dale. I am 31 years old, and I'm currently a security guard. I just like to be better at approaching chicks that I don't know, that I have never seen before. Like, I tend to overthink things, even though I know I can. I tend to overthink it, because I know I don't like talking to people sometimes. You know, I'm very in myself, very introverted at times, so I don't like to bother people, but...
Any last word before we start?
No, man, let's do it. Fuck this. Yeah. How you doing? What you taking pictures of?
The park?
I mean, well, yeah, obviously I see the park, but I mean, like, anything specific?
No.
No?
No, just the park.
Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, I was hanging with my friend. I don't know if you saw me walking with him, but you kind of caught my attention. This park and everybody else is kind of like bland. Nobody really stands out, but you do. So.
Thanks, babe. I appreciate it.
So I'm babe now.
Everyone's babe.
Nah, I don't want to be what everyone else is. That's kind of boring.
I like that. You're right.
What's your name? I'm Dale.
Nice to meet you.
If you don't mind me asking, how old are you?
21.
Fuck. Kind of young.
I am young.
Yeah. I'm 31.
That's not that old.
Do you date older?
Have I dated older?
Do you date older?
I have a boyfriend.
Well, fuck it. It's like, no, let me stop. How long y'all been together for?
It's new.
It's new? See, the old me would, kind of see how I could get my way in there, but the new me, the more mature me is gonna, allow it to blossom.
Thank you, babe. I appreciate that.
Stop calling me babe. I'm gonna have to take you from him.
Come on.
All right.
Enjoy your day, sunshine.
Yeah, stay beautiful.
Nice to meet
Stay
you.
unique.
Thank
I'm telling you, all right, look at yourself and then look at everybody else in the park. Like, everybody looks the same. Do you? All right, peace out. It was cool. I think I have that first 5-10 second jitters of the conversation. When you try to connect with somebody, it's a matching of energy.
Funny, you were kind of pacing a little bit.
Yeah, I tend to stand. When I stand still sometimes, it just when I stand still sometimes.
Like it's not like it's tiger. Let's just see more and then see what happens, okay?
All right. Excuse me. How you doing?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm okay. I figured when I walked past you, I don't know if you noticed, I walked past you, I was like, damn, she's kind of fly.
I did not notice you.
Okay. Well, I walked past you.
I'm very oblivious.
Okay, that's not good. That's not good. But
It's not, but
yeah.
I am.
Okay. But I said to myself, actually I said to my friend, I was like, she's kind of fly. And he said, go talk to her.
Oh.
I said no. But then again, look, I'm here.
And here you are.
Yeah. How you doing?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm okay. What's your name? Are you nervous talking to me?
I am not nervous talking to you, but you could be crazy, so.
I mean, I'm crazy, but not in that aspect. Like, I think everybody's a little bit crazy.
I don't think so.
So you're saying you're not crazy? A little bit. Really? Okay.
Very lovely.
But anyways, I like your style.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. If you look at everybody else's style, everybody else is very fit in. Everybody else is the same. But me and you kind of got a little, a little something. What you think about that? What you think about the compatibility?
That's hard to gauge.
I mean, just off this.
That's hard to gauge.
Hard to gauge? Okay. So you got a boyfriend?
I do.
Are you just saying that, or do you really have a boyfriend?
I really do. You want to see a picture?
Yeah, fuck it. Since you offer, let's do it. It's like, but I'm gonna let you rock.
It was nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too.
Okay. So how was that for you?
It was cool. I'm waiting for your feedback. I want to see.
Yeah, I just want to see more.
How you guys doing? How you doing? How you guys doing? I'm just passing by and I thought you were cute. You kind of stuffed your face, so I didn't want to say that, but yeah, just want to let you know that you're cute. All right, cool guys. Have a good one. I just got extremely uninterested vibes. I was just reading their faces. Maybe I was too involved in their faces, but I felt the vibe and it was just like, all right, they're not interested. Maybe my energy was, I don't know what it was, but.
When you meet someone, it's kind of like there's a battle of stories. you have a story. You're here to talk to people, whatever. They have a story, and whoever believes the strongest in their story is gonna win. So here, you came with the story. Hey, I want to talk to this girl. But then, as soon as you got a reaction from them that did not follow your story, you like stumble. And I think.
My fault. If you want to talk, you go ahead.
Okay.
It's slow. So I allowed myself to be affected by their energy and their unreceptiveness. It was like, okay, I read their face and I'm like, okay, I just sat in that and I'm like, my ego perked up. I'm not usually an ego-filled person, but that moment I was like, all right, you're not about to like make me feel like I'm coming here to harm you guys. I'm coming here with a compliment, and that's how I left out. So I totally understand that.
There is an alternate universe where you say how are you, they don't respond, then you make a joke, then everyone laughs, then you know what I mean. So everything's possible.
Excuse me. How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm all right. I was walking past with my friend. I'll be honest, your hair caught me, the curls, and I couldn't see your face, so I figured let me stop and say what's up, see how you're doing.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Okay. What's your nationality?
Black and Italian and Russian.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you don't mind me being a little bit personal, how old are you?
Too old for you.
Don't say that. Don't say that. Don't say that.
How old are you?
How old do I look? Ask you first.
Okay, I'll answer, but I'm not gonna lie.
I like that.
I love my age.
I like that.
Wait, what you said how old and then you said something else though.
No, I
Okay,
just asked
but
how
I'm
old you are.
44.
Wow.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
I know. I get all the young guys. I'm like, nope.
You do?
Yeah.
Damn. So you have a boyfriend or what?
No, but I'm just like coming out of something, so I'm just chilling for a minute.
How was it? Was something serious?
Yeah.
Okay.
Serious, yeah.
I'm 31.
Oh, you're not that young. I thought you were like
Nah.
peak too.
Nah.
Yeah. Well, that's good. Where do you live?
You have a very like artsy, laid back, like calm, chill vibe about you, like very wise.
I gotta, because I can't get stressed over shit. There's too much stress for me there's too much stuff for me to get stressed over that
Okay.
I just don't,
Understood. What do you do, if you don't mind me asking? Something creative? Okay. I'm on the money. I'm dead.
Nice to meet you.
I see your eyes. I see your sunglasses, but damn.
Good eyes?
Nah, it just comes together. It just, it's just,
okay.
like.
How old did you think I was?
Good question. I didn't even think about that.
Good.
But I definitely felt like a presence of something like wise and older. Yeah, like the way you just like relax, catching the sun, like you just minding your own business. Like I don't know, I like stuff like that.
Yeah. Wow.
So my dreams are sort of kind of shot down.
Well, I'm just gonna I gotta chill by myself for a minute. I know I do.
Okay, if you don't, I'm a very open, very vulnerable, very raw and honest person. So if you don't mind me asking, what happened in the last relationship that has you like stepping back to heal? All right, so based off of what you've gotten in this last 5-minute interaction, being that I'm younger, would you find me attractive in the sense that you would like say yes to going out on a date? Not a date, excuse me, just like drinks, just to.
If I was in a different place right now, honestly, yes.
Yeah.
I just know I'm not in that place right now, so I'm just chilling for like a little bit on my own.
Understood.
Yeah.
Part of me wants to like switch contacts for that moment when you're ready.
No, I'm not gonna do that because you know what? I believe I'm very laid back. If something's meant to happen,
I'm not gonna see you
maybe
again.
I'll see you in the park.
Come on, bro. I stay in. Right now I'm in a building. Yeah, I'm in a building phase. I'm trying to like heal and just get myself to.
What? You asked me 50 questions.
Yeah, you're right. See that? I'm usually giving everybody the advice, but it feels good to be given some advice to think about. Yeah.
Well, it was a pleasure meeting you.
Yeah, it was a pleasure. I don't want to get your hands dirty. So no switching up the Instagram.
No switching up all that Instagram shit. No.
All right, so what about the number? Which I
No
prefer the
number.
number.
No
Come on,
number.
you gonna do me
No.
like this? You gonna get me all infatuated
No,
with your
I
cougar-esque
already-
essence?
I already told
Yeah, I
you
know.
from the
I told you I'm ambitious, so I'm trying. You feel
it's
me?
not gonna happen, but
Alright.
I appreciate.
All right, at least let me shake the hand then. I'll shake the hand. All right.
Thank you.
Stay beautiful, stay gorgeous. Peace out. That one was good, bro. That felt very good. That felt like my speed. As you guys heard, I think she said she was 44 or something like that. She's in her 40s, yeah. And she just looked like so elegant, so graceful, just peaceful. Like she's, just elevated somewhere. and I like that.
Just a few other observations, but you like to say, if you don't mind me asking, I feel like it crystallizes like a stranger dynamic.
Oh, copy,
I don't think you would ask that to a friend.
All right.
Well, that's a side comment. I don't know if I would, on the first encounter with a girl, I don't know if I would deep in.
Yeah,
into why
I
she
know.
broke up with her
But I felt the vibe. That's why I felt the vibe that she was, like I said, she's very wise, very peaceful, very open.
Where you want to go, man.
Nah, but regular.
And then what was so funny, you were like, so based on the last 5 minutes of our interaction, do you think that you would want maybe to like, would you be attracted? Like, it seems very serious. You know, it just seems, once again, it crystallizes this kind of like stranger dynamic.
Okay.
It seems, I don't know, like, imagine you want to go, there's like I don't know, some like restaurant you really want to try, everyone's been telling you.
It's in your channel.
Oh, what's the channel?
So I remember you just out here having people come up to people to like walk up and do the chats, right?
Yeah.
Good shit, bro.
Thank you so much. What's your name?
Will.
Thank you so much for saying hello.
You next?
For sure. No, I'm good.
All right, bro. And I'm glad we did this. I want to talk to MILF, right? I said that, right?
Yeah.
Even though she said she doesn't want to have kids, but she's an older woman. I just feel like me.
They're looking for a sugar mama right now.
Yes, you know the vibe. Shit.
He wants a new job, and really he wants a sugar mama.
I want to be taken care of. I want to be taken care of by somebody rich. You spoil me. That's it. Excuse me. How you doing? You hear me? So you don't want to talk, or? Alright. I thought you looked nice though. I'm gonna leave with that compliment, alright? You're welcome. I can understand her want to be in her little space.
What you just said is very revealing. You say, oh, I can understand that she just wants to be in her space.
Yeah.
That is false. Her reaction depends on how you talk to her. Everyone likes a good surprise. You were not a good surprise.
No.
So first thing I observe is you come in, this person doesn't know you, they don't know anything about you. You come in, you say, how are you? Come to them with a great vibe. You can influence them. But if you come and you're like, how are you? Then, you know, then most people, a lot of people, they don't know what you want. So they're going to be like, you know, they're going to seem undecisive. You know? Like, it's very unlikely that you walk up to someone, you say, how are you? And they're like, I'm great, I'm waiting for you.
Yeah, I don't really expect them to say, oh.
And then you're like, oh, I guess you don't want to talk.
No, I said like you don't want to
tell.
talk, and she's responding.
Yeah, but she said she doesn't want to talk to what? Like, to what exactly? You didn't say anything. You didn't express anything. Well, welcome to America, where people eat pizza
with ranch
sauce.
Ranch dressing. Trust me, I know y'all know about that. I know. For those that don't know, fold the pizza, get your ranch, dunk that motherfucker in there.
All of the Italian subscribers are probably like screaming.
Telling you, bro. Shit's beautiful. How you doing?
Hi.
You on the phone?
Yeah.
I don't know if you saw me walk by just now, but I saw you drawing.
Oh.
I was like, trying to see what you're doing.
Yeah, I'm just fucking around.
Is that what you normally do, or you like take it seriously?
No, I do seriously make art. But this is just me doing it. It's like practice.
That's just a practice? You guys see something serious?
I mean, I guess. I don't know if these are serious. I was just practicing on these too. But yeah, these are some stuff I...
Can I touch? Can I?
Yeah, sure. Huh?
That's your boyfriend?
What you said?
That's your boyfriend?
No.
Okay, cool.
Wait. Oh, like you make art?
I used to draw a lot, but now I'm more like, how could I put it? Let me study this first.
Okay.
Let me try to.
Okay. My friend is asking, that's why. He's studying my art right now.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, sorry, bro. Oh, fuck.
A bug?
Yeah, but I thought
You feel bad about killing it?
No, I didn't kill it. I don't do that.
Nah, the fact you said sorry, I was like, okay.
Unless it's a mosquito. Which your friend looks like. And I'm not happy about that.
You got the good blood. All right, one on me too. Look, come on, look what you doing. Look what you
Nah.
doing. Take it. That's yours. Take it.
No, fuck them. If it's a mosquito, I'm not fucking with them. I have a bite on the side of my face. I've never even gotten bitten on my face before.
It's the season. They out here now. So you single?
I didn't say that.
I'm asking.
No, I'm not single. But I'm a polyamorous.
What does that mean again? All right, you want to start with your number?
I don't think you should start there.
So how am I going to talk to you after I leave from here?
Didn't you just follow me on Instagram? Isn't that where people start nowadays?
Are you active on your Instagram? Like, do you actually talk back on your Instagram, or you?
I do. I mean, if it's not something dumb.
Yeah, no, I don't.
Dumb, I just don't.
No, I don't waste time like that. I don't do
I'll
that.
leave you on scene.
Okay.
Did you follow me on Instagram or not?
I'm handing you my phone now.
I thought you did that already.
No.
Use the code. Can't you do that?
What code? Yeah, just type it in. What the fuck you talking about? Code? QR code? Oh, you also difficult. I can see that too. Okay. Well, I think you should. I mean, I'll contact you. We'll talk about it. But yeah. I think we got a little vibe going on. I would like to see if it's more than just a little vibe. Don't show me. I want something a little bit more concrete.
I'm not about to give you something that ain't there right now.
See, that's why I'm vibing with you. See, confirmation. You see that? I don't like when I don't like telling a chick what I can do. Nah. Guys
right,
usually. Nah, I know you won't. All right. Dap. We gonna work on this dap.
I'm not.
Put the pen down. We gonna work on it.
Let's just do this. Can we
Nah,
do this?
come on. That's boring.
I'm not really.
It's simple. It's just boom. Come on, you gotta put a little bit more energy. Come on.
Because I
Gang.
don't. Okay.
You see you.
Okay.
Alright, peace. Oh, see, that was nice. So we gonna work on it. Stay beautiful. Damn.
It worked for so long.
Damn.
The battery ran out. I had to like switch the
Oh
battery.
shit. My fault, y'all. That one was.
I thought you were gonna meet your wife, like right on camera.
You know, it's like, no, let me stop. Let me stop. Nah, that was cool, bro.
I just feel like, generally speaking, like, you were like, oh, like, are you single? Like, I would just ask her out, if she's single, if there's a problem, she'll bring it up, but
Right.
just reach for what you want. If
Right.
there's
Yeah.
problems, people will let you know. You're making
Yeah.
sure too much, stop
Yeah.
making sure, just fucking like go for what you want,
All right.
and then you were like, how should I go up, we stay in touch, how should I go about it, like,
Yeah, the number,
like
yeah.
like by like asking like a validation at every step of the way, it seems like you're unsure, and then that emotion.
Before this even happened, I thought, I'm gonna crush it. I got this. And then getting here was kind of like, oh, snap. I think it's cool. I think, just go out there, talk to people. If you want to pull up on a chick, just pull yourself together. Realize it's just an interaction. If you get rejected, you get rejected. Sit in that moment and let that shit rock, Just move on with your life. Do what you gotta do.
Any last word?
Love you. It's like, nah, no last word, guys, y'all. Peace out.